Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to set up the MetaMask extension on Chrome. First, open your Chrome browser and navigate to the Chrome Web Store. Search for MetaMask and select the official extension. Click Add to Chrome and then Add Extension to begin the installation process. This will integrate MetaMask directly into your browser, making it ready for the next steps. Once installed, MetaMask will open. You'll have two options: create a new wallet or import an existing wallet. If you're new, choose to create. You will then be prompted to create a strong, unique password. Make sure it's memorable but complex. After setting your password, read and accept the terms of use to continue. This is the most critical step: securing your secret recovery phrase. MetaMask will present a 12-word phrase. Write these words down precisely in order on a physical piece of paper. Do not store it digitally. This phrase is the master key to your funds, so keep it extremely private and safe. Never share it with anyone. To confirm you've correctly saved your secret recovery phrase, MetaMask will ask you to re-enter the words in the correct sequence. Once confirmed, your MetaMask wallet is successfully set up and ready to use. For easy access, click the puzzle piece icon in Chrome and pin the MetaMask extension to your toolbar. You are now ready to explore the decentralized web.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.